wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tire sealants. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Capable of clogging holes up to ½ inch across, Multi-Seal Flatout is an impressive formula made in the United States and contains Kevlar fibers. It is only intended for use on slow-moving outdoor equipment though, like tractors, ride-on lawnmowers and wheelbarrows. It can last as long as a decade and doesn't become a sticky mess. However, the included stem remover is flimsy. At number 9, most options only take care of tread holes, but quadboss ATV will also fill in tricky holes in the sidewall, making it a good choice for off-road vehicles. You can use it on the trail or in the woods as it's environmentally friendly. It can stop bead leaks too and is a permanent solution, but note that it shouldn't be used on cars or trucks. Coming in at number 8 on our list. A handy choice for emergencies, Fix-A-Flat will simultaneously seal ruptures and inflate a tire enough to get the rim off the ground. It'll work in a pinch, but it is intended to just get you as far as a professional repair shop. The pressure increases as you drive, and it won't harm TPMS sensors. However, it's not safe for use on motorcycles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tire sealants, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you ride a bike, Stan's notubes is a good choice. It's made with natural materials, and just 2 ounces of the stuff is enough to instantly fill punctures of up to ¼ inch, and it stays liquid for up to 7 months. It can be injected through valve stems and contains an anti-freezing agent, but it doesn't last as long in hot climates. Moving up our list to number 6. As implied by the name, Slime Prevent and Repair is both a prophylactic and after-the-fact solution, though it is only for non-highway speeds for the former use. It's not toxic or corrosive, so you don't have to worry about it damaging rubber during application. It lasts for up to 2 years and is safe for pressure monitoring systems. However, it won't fix sidewall punctures. Halfway up our list at number 5. Motorcyclists know that flats aren't the only issues they face. There's also proper wheel balancing. The ride-on protection system addresses both of these at the same time, coating and evenly weighting the insides of tires. It can help dampen road noise and clogs most holes instantly. It's a non-flammable formula. At number 4, Berryman Sealer is a popular choice for those looking to patch holes in a variety of equipment, from bicycles to tractors. It stays liquid permanently and is designed to be used as a preventative measure too, so you don't wind up stuck somewhere with a flat. It contains corrosion inhibitors and comes in multiple bottle sizes. It can be cleaned up easily with water. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed specifically for bicycles, Orange Endurance is safe for tubed and tubeless tires and has been proven to last 3 times longer than many of its competitors. It's a latex-based formula that coats all of the inside, from edge to tread cap, ensuring that no air escapes. It works in most temperatures and includes an injector for easy application. It's completely biodegradable too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tire sealants, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Slime Emergency Flat Repair is a handy option that can help you get back on the road without going through the hassle of grabbing the spare out of your trunk. It works for both punctures and slow leaks and is simple to use. It's a non-toxic formula that's suitable for distances of up to 60 miles. It comes with a valve core remover. And taking the top spot on our list, Tireject on-road bead sealer is designed for after-the-fact application and utilizes liquid rubber to clog punctures up to ¼ inch in diameter. It's safe for use on most highway speed vehicles, including full-size pickups and SUVs. It won't cause balance issues and is made with strong Kevlar fibers. The soft package is easy to store. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tire sealants, or simply click beneath this video.